How do I go? Push it or kick it?
Don't kick it.
Oh, look at there. Oh, and I gotta. Oh, Jesus, the floor's moving. Oh, Lord, Jesus, I'm moving. Oh, woo. God. What? Look, this thing keeps going. Oh, look at that. That is nice. God. He's important. Oh, look. You can sit right here and look out the window. Look at here, y'all. I can sit here. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Good. Oh, okay, we can go down here. What goes that way?
I think that's the dining area, but they're not letting anyone back there. Oh, don't look, it doesn't seem.
Oh, really? Okay. This is cool right here. I like this. Oh. Just still in Beaumont, Texas.
Oh, you say excuse me. That's don't just do that. Say you're sorry.
Alright, so apparently they're not going to let me in. Okay, peace out. I'll see y'all in a little bit.